Today we're out near Carstairs and we are going to be testing out the uniformity of the spray nozzles on our A70 agricultural drone. So we're going to attach these strips out to the crop out here and we'll be able to see all the water droplets on these water sensitive papers.
And we'll put one on top and then we'll lift it up and put one underneath.
Okay.
So we'll kind of put them underneath here and just see what that comes. And then we'll put one.
Kind of jam it in here. Make sure
you want a clip on there?
Yeah, I might. Oh, you got one, perfect.
And we'll put a bunch of them out. Okay, let's go over that way a bit.
This way?
Yeah, because we're going to catch different swaths, right?
Yeah, okay.
Let's go in some heavier stuff. I'm going to put one down here. Okay. And then we'll put one up on top.
First one. Oh, you've got clips, perfect.
See how it does. There. Then we'll go in that taller stuff right over here.
Okay.
Let's go put a couple in there.
I kind of want to go right in the middle here.
Yeah.
I'm thinking I'll stick one way down here.
And then we'll put one kind of middle.
And one on top.
One on top, yeah.
And also we want to plan for like another 2 flights. Because we want to change the droplet size.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
let's go that way.
Let's go that way.
Yeah.
And then I just want it in this taller stuff right here. So that'll give us a good indication in the taller stuff. And then the laid down stuff. So let's put one down here because this is really matted right here. And it's gonna picking up right down. And then we'll put one kind of on top as well. That way we know where it's at.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, and the idea behind setting them in different locations is we're doing different tests on the droplet sizes. So you can set what droplet size you want on the drone's controller. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and see what kind of results we get.
So we'll try one more over closer here in line with those bins. Let's go like right here.
In here, okay.
I'll put one down on the bottom. You want to do a few more?
Awesome. Yeah, maybe one a little further out here.
Sure. We'll just go straight out from here, yeah.
So at the far end, it should be the first flight.
Yes.
With small, maybe?
Small. And then work at medium.
Medium and large.
And large
yeah.
to here. Okay.
Okay, I'm out of strips, so.
Yeah, that's fine. Do you think we should do where it's standing up here or where it's more padded down?
No, we can do here.
Here?
This is a good spot. Or right over there. How about right over there? Yeah, it's standing up a little bit, right? But, and it's calm.
Way down in there.
This is going to be really good.
Yeah, this will be an awesome test. One way up on top.
Okay.
And we'll see how that does.
Alrighty.
Let's go fly this thing. Okay, so for this first flight here, we are going to be flying at our smallest droplet size, which is 50 microns. We're going to be traveling at 20 feet per second, and we're going to be spraying at a dosage of 5 gallons per acre. And our swath width is going to be 24 feet.
So there and back.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the second flight now. All the other parameters are the same except for we have changed the droplet size to 250 microns. So the first two flights went great, and now we're gonna move on to the third flight. We're raising the size of the droplets to 500 microns. Again, all the parameters for the flight are gonna stay the same.
Up. Okay, Dad, you can go.
All right, all the flights are completed. Let's go grab the test strips and see how they did.
Sounds good.
So should we start with
Yeah, let's start over here. If we can find them.
I was gonna say.
This is the large droplet size.
That's
This
the large,
is the large
one, yeah.
droplet size.
Now we lost them.
Oh, right here.
All right.
Look at that. I'll get a video of it in the ground.
Ooh, that covered well. And then what about underneath
Should
there?
be one.
Oh yeah, look at that. That really covered well.
Nice.
Yeah, that one really got wet. That's good.
Yeah. Awesome. And this was above. Right on.
Nice. So we were, maybe did we put one over here? No.
I think we went out this way, didn't we?
Right there.
Right here. Oh yeah, look at that. There's the top. I'll pull that off and we'll have a look at the bottom.
Oh yeah. That's really good. This is the bottom.
That's the bottom?
That's the bottom.
How many microns?
This one was 500. So the extra course.
So you're almost getting more with the extra course.
Yeah,
'Cause
I
they're-
didn't see the other
Yeah,
ones.
they're
but
they're not as spotty.
This is extra course?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, because it's a
And
really.
then that one is up top?
Yeah.
Which one is that one
Yeah.
from?
This was a top from
this is
500
the bottom.
microns as well. Just a little bit closer to the truck. Yeah, I don't have the bottom one, but that was the top one.
Yeah, these are the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Whoops. And we were pretty much straight this way, I thought.
I can have that in my pocket. And that's 500.
This is you gotta keep those.
Yeah,
as souvenirs.
yeah, those are 500. And then we checked these already.
Oh, you did the 250s?
Yeah, we right here, I think. Okay, so this is the top one. So you can see that the droplets, yeah, so not as much. And this is the middle. This is the
that's
medium.
250
250.
microns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the bottom. So you can tell it's a lot more with the heavier drop with the 500 microns.
Yeah.
It's a lot more gets down.
It's a better opportunity to
Better.
get down to the base.
Yeah. Right here. So this is the small on the top. So you can see that's the small. And then, oh, this is good. This is the bottom.
Wow. And remember, we put one halfway through here at the 50 microns.
Yeah, this is the
has-
50.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah, nothing to complain about there.
Yeah, I'll grab that.
Yeah, and then this was the top. Sweet.
Awesome.
So we had success.
Yeah. All right, so let's see how the spray nozzle did. So this first one here, this was our 50 micron test. This really dark one is the bottom underneath the canopy. This one was set about halfway up the plant, and this is what the top one looks like. So you can see there was really good coverage when we were spraying at 50 microns. Then we move over. This was a 250 microns, the medium sized. The one with less drops on the right here was the bottom, and the one on the left was on top of the canopy. So still really good coverage. And then these were our test strips for the 500 microns. So these two here on the right were underneath the canopy on the ground, and these two with lots of splotches on them were sitting on top of the canopy. After all our tests and test strips, we picked them up, inspected them. We're really happy with the work that it did. There was good, uniform, clean coverage under all three droplet sizes, so it was a very successful test.